National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County until 2 p.m. At 1:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 8 miles south of Danville and moving east at 15 miles an hour. Additional thunderstorms across the northern portion of the county were rapidly developing and may become severe. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Gamier, Fredericktown, and Danville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Now look